लाइफ स्टाइल में आप सभी का स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। आज कुछ योगाभ्यास स्टार्ट करेंगे। उसके पहले महागायत्री मंत्र का उच्चारण करेंगे। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। हरि ओम तत्सत्। हरि ओम तत्सत्। Now let's start with warm up first. So let's start now. Warm up. This is very easy warm up. You can do. Very easy warm up. You can easily do. There is nothing in that. Just you keep in mind that your heel should not touch on the ground. If your heel will touch on the ground, you won't get the proper benefits. So like this. As you jump little more, divide it. Now sidewise. You say Sthir Sukhamasana. You should maintain. Now breathe in, breathe out 2-3 times to normalize. Now today we will start some more practices. Let's start mountain pose and cobra pose simultaneously. Very simple one. Keep similar gap between both the legs and both the palm. Breathe out, go inside. Try to touch your heel if possible. If not, don't force too much to touch. Just bend your knees little bit. Breathe in, come up. Hold this posture. Breathe out, go inside. Breathe in, slowly come up. Breathe out, go inside. Breathe in, slowly come back. Very good, slowly come back. Now practice Sasankasana. Just touch your palm on the ground, forehead on the ground, separate your neck a little bit and relax. Breathe in, breathe out 2-3 times to normalize. Very good. Slowly come back. Now practice for thigh opening and for waist. To make your waist strong and to balance your hormone, all the things will be better in one practice only. So this one is that. Stretch your leg as much as easily possible. Breathe out. Bend forward and try to touch your central head to the ground and hold this posture. Try to catch both the toes from the hand. Very good. Now hold this posture, slow and deep breathing 10 times. And maintain a smile on the face. You are nothing to bring, nothing to take away from the life. So be a stress-free, tension-free. And maintain a smile on the face continuously without break. Very good. Slowly come back. Now, back side as much as easily possible. Do not fall back side. That will harm your medulla oblongata in your brain. So you should not fall back side. Now breathe out. Try once again. This will release the stress from the mind if have, but I will say you should not take tension or stress. Nothing will fetch the stress in your mind. So be stress free and live your life comfortably. Do not try to live the stressful life, because you have nothing about and nothing going to take away. The Sikandar owned the whole world, even they were not happy at the time of death or dying. He told that my both palms are open. It means that I own many things, but I did nothing for myself. Therefore, the learning from that you can take that be stress free and tension free the whole life. What may be on the earth, but try to be stress free and maintain a smile on the face as much as possible. And live the every moment of your life happily. Try to live every moment of your life happily. Now breathe in, slowly come back. Very good, slowly come back. Now you will feel the better. If you do this, you will feel better immediately. Yoga has no the effect on the other day or after some days. As you do the right yogic practice, you will get the benefits that time only. Now Shashankasana. In Shashankasana, the main focus is straight and maintain the strength and increase the strength of your spine. So try to make your spine long. So how you can make this one the practice? Try to touch your chest to the ground. Or forehead to the ground. Breathe in, breathe out 2-3 times to normalize. And do easily. You should not be in a hurry while doing the yogic practice, because if you do in hurry, then that will be the exercise and that will affect only your physical level, your hormonal balance and mental balance, or both the chakras, both the nadis, that is known main 3 nadis, Sushumna, Chandra Nadi and Surya Nadi. 3 nadis mainly given by Lord Shiva So to balance the both Chandra Nadi, Chandra is left and Surya is right. To balance both, the Sushumna, the third Nadi will activated, and once if third Nadi activated, you will not have fear on the earth and fear from the death. So if you won't have fear of any kind, then you will automatically be happy, because people are in stress due to the some kind of fear in life. If you taken the loan, the fear of that not paying that, going your job, means some kind of fear. To be a fearless life, you have to have your Sushumna Nadi achieved. So that is the process I tell you. But how to activate your Chandra Nadi and Surya Nadi, that is the continued practice of yogic technique. Now let's start with, we will practice halasana of different kind. People are doing the different kind. I will always suggest to do the practice which suits your body parts. Once you go into the deep practice of yoga, you will innovate, you will create the posture as per your suitability, because each and every kinds of things are yoga, but you should do comfortably, and that will affect on your organs. So now let's start. Stretch your legs as much as possible. Hold this posture. Now slowly come back. Now practice Sarvangasana. Slow and deep breathing and hold this posture. It doesn't matter you are straight or not, but you should be comfortable, and your chest and waist should be up and lifted in the ground, so that the gravity of blood circulation should be towards your central nervous system or brain system, so that each and every hormones will be balanced. And once your complete hormone will be balanced, there will not be any disease exist in your physical body or mental level also. It will improve. Now slowly come back. Slowly come back. Breathe in, breathe out 2-3 times to normalize, and maintain a smile on the face for optimum benefits. Very good. Now we will practice Sirsasana. That is Sirsasana we will practice. We will practice Sirsasana just now. Wait. Sirsasana is very beneficial to boost your immunity and the digestive system. So you must practice the Sirsasana. So Sirsasana will give you the great strength in your physical level and mental level also. It will boost your confidence level. So Sirsasana is very beneficial. So let's start. People are fearful of doing the Sirsasana. Why people are being fearful in Sirsasana? Because they think that the whole blood will come in brain and the blood will come out from the mouth, nostril and ears. That's the main issue, but it doesn't happen. Our physical body have very complex structure and very much automatic. That much automatic that the innovator or the scientist will never achieve that automation in the machinery level. Your body is such automatic that never be designed in the machinery level. So that much automatic. So don't be fearful of. If you have weight below the 80 kg, you can practice Sirsasana as I have experienced, and I have taught the clients the Sirsasana and got the proper benefits from it. So as per my recommendation, you can do Sirsasana, don't be fearful of. So let's start how to do is the main mudda, and people are not knowing the exact technique. So technique is that you should keep your both the palm interlock and slowly come back, and if you feel your waist area and head are completely vertical, after that you can lift one leg and another will be lifted automatically. If not, you can take support from your friend, family and colleagues. You can take support from the wall and slowly breathe in, breathe out 3-4 times. If you feel uncomfortable, you can come back, and if you feel comfortable, you should be in this posture. Approximately 1 minute you can practice at the first day. Now slowly come back. After this, just do Savasana or complete relaxation or little relaxation pose as you feel convenient and comfortable you can practice. After this practice, as you have done much more for the neck area, so the relaxation of neck should be done. So breathe in, that is fish pose. So for doing the fish pose, the technique is breathe in and lift your chest as much as possible, like this, and bend your neck gently. Very good. Hold this posture. Breathe in, breathe out 7 times. Very good. Slowly come back, just release and relax, leave your body parts loose. You can do fish pose 2 times, but we are doing only one. As per the time restriction. So now this is over. Now you can practice pranayam. After that you can do complete relaxation pose, or you can do complete relaxation pose first. After that pranayam. There is no issue. You can practice. For today, this much. So have a great day. And just enjoy the session and try to practice and try to maintain a smile on the face all the time.